doing, Kane? Are you feeding the birdie? Are you feeding the birdie?
Come here, birdie.
So cute.
You see that one?
Oh look, he's coming.
Look at the little yellow one.
Oh.
You will eat this. Where's that yellow one? Give the yellow one some food. Oh, scared him. You were too fast, buddy. Give the blue one a little food. Oh, there's another one. Look at that one. You gonna get that old one? Oh, that's so nice of you. Oh! Get over here, yellow guy. You will eat that. You will eat some of that. Yeah. More? Be careful. Just hold it still. No, you can't touch a birdie.